Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is not a Christmas one, it is a shabby one. It's just a little shabby vintage style journal. I've used various different things. I will mention it as I go through. The journal measures 8¼ by 4¼ so it's traveller's notebook size, and it has one signature. It has 40 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. You can find all the links below to my shop, my coffee shop. I've got some freebies on there. So yeah, so the cover is the paper for the I used, excuse my nails, I still haven't got around to doing them. The journal bolt, that's where that was from, and I printed that on cardstock. This is just a simple ribbon closure, and here is just some embossing on. I done that on brown paper and I gessoed it, and then I went over it with ink. This is a freebie over on my coffee shop, and inside, just make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so this is from the journal bolt as well, and I think it's just called the Shabby Vintage journal kit. And then here I've got tags from ARTYmaze, which is from her builder cluster tag kit. This paper in the background there is the old design shop, and then I've just used some scraps and some digital washi from the old, no, it's not from the old design shop, it is from chapter 1 papers. Then you've got some journal space here. This is from the journal bolt. This is from Dreams Etc, and this is from Bohemian Crafting. These are just some little girls that I've found over the years via Pinterest, and I've just cut them out using some oval dies and then backed it onto some brown paper, which is an oval die as well. And here, this is ARTYmaze from one of our oddment kits. This is Dreams Etc. Got some journal space there. This is from Nick the Booksmith, and I just put some digital washi and a butterfly. We've got some Edith Holden here, and that is just paper clipped on. Some tea-dyed paper. Then here again, this is from the journal bolt. We have a pocket. This is from ARTYmaze. That's a freebie on my coffee shop. This is ARTYmaze from our postcard collection, and this is a Tiffany & Co tag. That's been discontinued. I don't know why. It was a digital. I think it may have had something to do with certain copyright. I'm not sure. Not 100% sure. I could totally be wrong on that. I've got it, and I'm still going to use it. I didn't make it. I didn't make it. I never broke the rules. I've just got some of these in my stash, and I'm using them up. I haven't printed any in ages. Dreams Etc, the journal bolt. Some digital washi from, who did I say that was from? Chapter 1. The old design shop. And we've got a double tuck here. This is, it had a flower behind there, but I've popped on one of my double ovals there. Got a journal card and a postcard. Postcard goes in the back. That goes in there. Some more Edith Holden. Some more. I love the noise of this. And some more Edith Holden. Another one of these. And it's just got some washi and a butterfly. And this is a flip out, and we've got that from Dreams Etc. You know, I'm so tired today. I don't know if it's medication that I'm on. I've never felt so tired in the last couple of weeks since I have actually been on that medication. Could fall asleep at any moment. It could also be the fact that I'm getting a lot more exercise. Maybe that's probably why I'm knackered. Getting my steps in every day. This Tiffany & Co. This is from ARTYmaze. And that is the journal bolt. That, some of it, well, most of the pockets and everything has been printed on cardstock. Then we have here, it's like a double tuck. This is from the journal board. This is from, see, that's how tired I am, I can't remember. Chapter 1. So if you see any of the little washi tape, it's chapter 1, in case I forget. Tag from ARTYmaze. This is from Dreams Etc. So that pops in there, like so. And that is the Old Design Shop. Is it the Old Design Shop? Yes, it is the Old Design Shop. Tag from ARTYmaze. That's the Builder Cluster Tag Kit. This is ARTYmaze from a postcard collection. Little Tiffany and Cole with the birdies. I love them birdies. They're so cute. Then we have the tea dyed paper. Love the colour of that. It kind of nearly matches that from the Edith Holden. Nearly, not quite, but nearly. Edith Holden. Then we have another flip. This is Dreams Etc. And that folds out like that. And that goes on there like so. This is the back card there is from the journal board, and then I've just popped on the ovals on the top and a tag from ARTYmaze. We've got a side tuck here with a like a travel tag, is that? Yeah, I think it is a journey travel tag thing. And this is got glue stuck to my fingers. This is a postcard from ARTYmaze, some digital washi, and that is the back. So that is the little journal. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions about the journal, then fire away. Be nice if you left a comment, give me a thumbs up. Helps with the algorithms, with the views and things like that. So again, thank you for watching. Have a great evening, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.